Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, thank you for stopping by. In this video, I'll be showing you how I'm using this washi tape that I got from Craspire. I will leave the link to the product review here, you can watch that, as well as this oval plaque or oval board that I got from PLAID. I'm a PLAID ambassador. And then I'm taking some Waverly Antique wax and I'm just going to use that to stain the board. And then I took a piece of baby wipe to wipe off whatever excess that was there. I didn't want to stain it too dark, but just enough to tone down the natural color of the wood. And I made sure I was moving in the same direction as the grain of the board. And if you are interested in this washi tape, I will leave the link to the website in my description box, as well as my coupon code. Use Craftaholic 5 for a $5 off $40 of your purchase. So here I'm taking some Waverly Antique, well not antique, well, some Waverly white chalk paint, and I painted just the middle section and then dried that. I gave it 2 coats. And I'm only painting the middle because the top and the bottom of this will be covered by the washi tape. And then I applied some Mod Podge to the white section as well as to the back of the board. And if this is your first time to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I would appreciate if you would subscribe by hitting that subscription button and pressing that notification bell and selecting all so that YouTube notifies you every time I upload a new video. And it also helps my channel to grow so that YouTube can recommend my videos to other viewers like yourself. So here I'm just opening the tape, and as you can see, it has that antique look, and I believe that is supposed to look like a letter because it has a stamp on there that says received. I tried to read what the words were saying, but they weren't making much sense to me. But I think that's what it is, a love letter. So here I put that down and then I cut off the excess. I didn't want to waste that, but I had no choice. And then whatever was left, I just used my finger to press it into the wood. And then I reeled off another piece and put that down. And this section looks like a hymn. Tried to read what it was saying as well, but couldn't decipher what it was. But I really like the design of this washi tape. I've never seen anything like this and I really like it. And then I have this pack of rub-on letters that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I cut out the word home, and then I'm just using some cool glue to glue down the edges of the washi tape around this. And after I did that, and then took some jute twine, and I use the jute here because it it kind of separated the top and the middle. So does anyone know what the term washi means? As I thought about it, I decided to do some research, and this is the information I found. Interesting. And here I'm just putting down the letters, trimming them down close enough. And after I evenly space them out, I remove the back, paste it down, and then I just use my finger to rub it in, and then I peel off the top. And I think the gold letters kind of blended in well with the color of the washi tape. And after I put the word down and use my finger to press it in, I use the Mod Podge brayer to just smooth it down a little bit more. The brayer has a soft edge, so that helped a lot. And you want to be very careful when you're lifting. If you're lifting and you realize that it's not fully down, you just cover it back and then just rub it in a little bit more and then lift again. I then flipped it over, glued on a piece of the jute twine at the back for hanging. I'm just using the sponge with a little of the Mod Podge to just dab that on the top. I had this little pink rose from a flower pick, and I thought that it blended in with the rose on the washi tape, so I just glued that on. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about this washi tape, and I'll leave a link to this product in my description box below. If you are interested, you can purchase that and use my coupon code for $5 off your purchases of $40. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. And I suggest this video right here and this playlist, and stay safe until next time. Bye.